Hello, my fellow DTubers and fellow hivers. Welcome back to my DTube channel. It's me, Madhushankar. What's up, my dear friends? I believe you are in a good, healthy under the pandemic situation, staying home or workplace, following health instructions, and using your golden time for improve high blockchain activities as well as doing your personal and professional tasks. Today I'm back with another very informative video conversation in this video community. In this video I want to talk about it is definitely human nature to help those who need your help whenever possible. Guys, you may have encountered people who are wasting their time trying to get others to take on their responsibilities when they are at their uh, the best. It is their responsibility and their duty to protect their happiness uh, as well as value and dignity. What kind of a person are you really? Are you a good person who helps others when they need your help? Or is it someone who does not understand other people who allow others to use you to their advantage? This is something to think about. Otherwise, your life will be useless to you. If you have a job, you probably have experience with this. Uh, Others are tempted to use you instead of trying to use it for their own works because they are inevitably feel your weaknesses. Often the people uh, who use others to carry out their responsibilities like to praise failhoods and are very good at that task. When someone praises you fails, let him or her do it fairly. But don't be fooled by that person. Common sense can easily get rid of such a people. Then you can always help these who need your help. Definitely that superior human quality. But don't let anyone use to their advantage. No matter how educated you are, the only thing that matters in this case is the intelligence you have developed while living. You can take a good imaging from this vlog. Before that, you should clearly hear this conversation. Then you can get a clear idea what I said through this conversation. Thank you for watching, guys. See you again. Have a successful day.